I went to an estate sale with one of my really good friends and I want to show you all the goodies that I found. We went to several sales, but I only purchased things from 2 different places. So the first place I purchased this painting from. This is hand painted. It is signed on the back, says 1983. I thought this would be really great for my craft room. Really, all of these pieces are gonna go in my craft room, except for 2 of them. I also got this little crane. Isn't he so cute? He's really wobbly, so I need to tighten his feet, but I thought he'd be perfect for my mantle or even for my end table over here. I just love him. I love the detail on him. I think he's so beautiful, and I'm so happy that I have him, and only for $3. I mean, you cannot beat that at all. We kind of planned out our day so that we would hit several stops, and on our way to a different sale, we found one just driving by. It was an estate sale of a house that they are renovating, so there was just a ton of stuff left behind. So I got several pieces from them, and one of the big pieces that I got was a huge solid brass glass dangly chandelier. It's going to go in my craft room. I'll show you some footage of it hanging in their house, but it's not up in my room yet because we don't have a J-box, so we'll need to put that in for it to hang from my ceiling in my craft room. So I'm really excited about that. That's probably the best thing that I found, and my friend Chelsea purchased it for me as my wedding gift. So I am so grateful that she did that for me. Thank you so much, Chelsea, if you're watching this. I've been looking for artwork that has fruit on it. So when I first got there, I told them that I was looking for art with fruit. So they showed me this piece. Has fruit, has beautiful flowers on it. It is velvet. It's so pretty, hand painted. It's kind of like raised. The texture is really cool. This might actually go in my hallway instead of my craft room, but it's beautiful. I love the colors of it, and I cannot wait to clean it up and hang it up. On our way out, after we paid for everything, I saw these and knew that they would be perfect for my front door. I used to have some pictures that I actually painted next to my front door, and one of them fell off the wall and broke. So I needed something to replace those. I thought these were perfect. They are hand painted and signed. I'm pretty sure that they just used this frame. This frame was $30 for whoever originally purchased it. I was thinking of either hanging them like this or hanging them on either side of the door like I had my other artwork. After I purchased the chandelier, it wasn't taken down off the ceiling, so we had to go back another day to pick it up, and they had a ton of stuff left over. So while I was there, I got this mirror. I couldn't let them just throw it away. I needed to take it home. She let me take it home for $10. Let me show it to you. Look, you can see yourselves. This is the mirror. It's super ornate. It needs to be cleaned extremely bad, but I think it's beautiful. It's not wood, pretty sure it's plastic, so probably not vintage in any way, but it's still beautiful, and I'm still really excited to hang it up somewhere. Haven't found a place for it. Might be my craft room, so I guess we will just have to wait and see when I find a place. I wanted to show you this last piece of art because I've actually had it for a while, but I did get it from an estate sale, and this was the only piece that I picked up from that time, and it's so beautiful. I have to share it with you. I have it in my kitchen. It is these tulips. Tulips are my favorite flower. It's so beautiful. The lady who used to live there hand painted these. She actually had a ton of art, and this just really fit my style. I'm so beyond happy that I got this. I think I paid $65 for it, which is honestly, it was kind of a lot for me, but because I like to get things on the cheap, so I just couldn't leave it behind. It's so beautiful. It looks a lot like the art that I have in my house right now. My great grandmas on my dad's side and on my mom's side actually painted similar things to this, so it works really well with a lot of the artwork that I already have from them, and I just couldn't leave it. It is just so beyond beautiful, and I can't wait for one day when I can paint like that. And also, I think that having all of this stuff, even if I'm paying up a little bit for it, will just make my home so unique and so different. So I'm really happy to have it. That is everything I found at those 2 estate sales. We went to a couple other ones and I just couldn't find anything that I absolutely loved. All I could think about was that chandelier. It's so fabulous and I love it so much. I cannot wait to hang it in my craft room. I'm also really excited to share with you some fun Christmas DIYs. Now that Thanksgiving was yesterday, I feel like I can actually jump into the Christmas stuff, and I'm really excited to share with you some of my ideas and also share with you some thrift hauls of stuff that I got so that I can repurpose it to make you some fun DIYs. So definitely subscribe if you're really excited to see that Christmas decor and also DIY Christmas gifts. Oh, I cannot wait, you guys. I'm so excited. And don't forget to click that share button so you can send this to a fellow thrifting friend. And I will see you in the next video.